I was 33 and extremely healthy, working out several times a week, very health conscious in general, had no health conditions whatsoever. Woke up on a Sunday morning with a really stiff neck. As the day went on, it was becoming more and more painful. I felt like I was spinning out of control. I didn't know what was left, right, up or down.
We just heard her have a little big cough and we all had to run in the bedroom. We had to bring her to the hospital.
She just kept on holding her neck in the car and saying how much it hurt, and I didn't really know what was going on.
Jenna was covered in sweat. I could see her face shifting, and I said, "Jenna, are you having a stroke?" My beautiful, incredibly healthy 33-year-old daughter. And it just seemed to get progressively worse.
She took me to Northside Cherokee, which is where I live closest to. After looking at imaging, they realized that my vertebral artery had dissected. And I had several blood clots in my vertebral artery, which caused the stroke, as well as a few additional very tiny arteries that branch off. I was life flighted to Wellstar Kennestone because they had the proper department that would be able to act very quickly. They can handle the trauma of the stroke, any surgery that's required, all of the rehabbing, inpatient and outpatient. They took me straight into the operating room at Dr. Gupta.
The weight of that few hours sitting in the waiting room with all of the family, not knowing what the rest of our lives were going to look like, if I was going to have a wife. Dr. Gupta was able to clear the blockage and she was going to have a chance at a very decent recovery.
Every nurse that helped me, every therapist that helped me, every single one of them contributed so much to my healing and my recovery. Wellstar took such great care of me, so I just wanted to give back. Here at Dry County, I love to connect with as much community as I possibly can here in the tasting room. We reached out to several different care teams and invited them to come and kind of just set up a day to highlight Wellstar Foundation, what they do, raise awareness and funds for them. He didn't give up on me. And I'm so thankful because I'm able to be a mommy still.